If you are planning to get married in Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Norman, or anywhere in the great state of Oklahoma, you need to apply for your marriage license through a local county court clerk's office. But you absolutely do not need to pay the full price. And if you are over 18, there is zero waiting period. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Oklahoma marriage license process, what documents you must bring, and a legal loophole to save $45 on your application fee anywhere in the state. First, let's look at the current legal costs. The standard fee for a marriage license at any county clerk's office in Oklahoma is $50. However, if you complete an approved premarital counseling course, like the one we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the state reduces your fee to just $5. That is a guaranteed $45 savings just by completing a simple curriculum before your wedding. Unlike neighboring states, Oklahoma makes the timeline incredibly easy. For adults 18 and older, there is absolutely no waiting period and no blood test required. The moment the clerk hands you your license, it is fully active. If you have your ID and your premarital course certificate in hand, you could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the courthouse. To get this $45 discount, Oklahoma Statute 43 requires exactly 4 hours of premarital education. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course meets all state requirements and is 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and finish at your own pace. The course is only $17.49, meaning you still come out way ahead financially, and it sets a great foundation for your marriage. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person at your local county court clerk's office. You must bring valid government-issued photo IDs like a driver's license or passport. Listen closely to this next part. Oklahoma law strictly dictates that the clerk cannot accept digital copies, faxes, or emails of your counseling certificate. You must bring the original printed document that our course generates for you to get your $5 rate. To claim your $45 Oklahoma discount and get your certificate, click the link in the description below to register for our official 4-hour premarital course. You can finish it today, print the original certificate, and head straight to the clerk. If you have any questions about the Oklahoma marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.